This is the only thing you need to start making money online in Kenya if you don't have a laptop. What's going on, guys? My name is Wycliffe and I help beginners make money online with the digital skills. So if you are struggling to make money online and you don't have a laptop, worry no more, because in this video, we're going to be talking about a method that helps you do precisely that. So make sure to save this video right now for later, because you might want to refer to it again. So one of the best ways to make money online if you are a beginner is through something called affiliate marketing. Now, this is an amazing method because you do not need a service of your own. You do not need a product of your own. You do not need a website of your own. And the best part is you don't need a laptop. So how does affiliate marketing work exactly? So here is the main concept. Brands want customers. There's so many businesses out there and they want more customers because they want to make more money. And so these brands are willing to pay you to send more customers to them. So in affiliate marketing, a brand or a company will give you a special tracking code or an affiliate link. Now with this affiliate link, all you have to do is share the affiliate link on social media platforms, on forums, and several other places on the internet. And when somebody buys the product or service that belongs to this brand through your affiliate link, then you get paid in commissions. Now, there are low ticket affiliate offers and there are also high ticket affiliate offers where you can earn as much as $1,400 or even $10,000 in just one commission. So it all depends on how you want to do this. Now, there are several places where you can get affiliate programs from. The first place that you can check out is a platform called Digistore24. You can also check out a website called Impact Radius. There's a platform called ShareASale. There's a platform called JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Commission Junction, among many others. Now, one of the main problems that people have once they begin affiliate marketing is knowing where to promote their offers, okay? Knowing where to promote their links. And this is the most important part, because if you don't know where to promote these links, then nobody is going to be clicking on these links and you're not going to be making any commissions and you're not going to be making any money. So this is one of the things that we teach in our affiliate marketing academy. In order for you to be successful with affiliate marketing, you have to know exactly where to put your links. One of the biggest mistakes that people make all the time is not knowing where to promote their affiliate links or where to share their affiliate links. And so they end up spamming people on Facebook, their family members, and people on WhatsApp groups with their affiliate links. And if you do this, then nobody is going to click on your links and you're not going to make any money. You're also not going to get any traffic. So the secret here is to know what are people searching for and where are people searching for this content. So there are free tools that you can actually use on the internet to help you know exactly where to position your affiliate links so that you can get as much traffic as possible and in turn get as much conversions as possible, and this will help you to make more money. So you don't want to be forcing people to click on your affiliate links. You want to be providing value and putting your content in front of people who are already looking for whatever it is that you have to offer. So I'll give you an example. On YouTube, you can easily find out what people are already searching for. And this is something that you could do using free keyword tools on the internet. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to help you know what people are looking for. And on Google, you can also know what people are searching for by using the keyword planner for Google AdWords. So it's not rocket science. You can know what people are searching for, know what people are asking using tools like Answer the Public. And with Answer the Public, this is a platform that allows you to find out exactly what people are typing online, what people are asking. And then you can create the exact type of answered to the questions that these people are asking and position your affiliate product or program right in front of them. And you're going to get conversions. You're going to start getting more clicks, and going to start getting more conversions. So affiliate marketing is all about strategy. As long as you have the right strategy, you can definitely turn this into something that makes you a full-time income. And the best part about affiliate marketing is that you can also make passive income over a long period of time. So if you are ready to get started with affiliate marketing, we offer coaching, mentorship, and tutorials. And if that is something you're interested in, let us know in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on Instagram and we'll be happy to help you out.